Types of different lines in geometry. The first one is line. What is line? Number of infinite points arranged in a sequence form a line, and this line extends endlessly in opposite direction, and it is represented by AB line. This is called the line. It extends endlessly in both the direction, opposite direction. It can extend from this side also and from this side also. Now second one is line segment. Now what is line segment? It is a line which can be defined. It has a definite length, and it is a one-dimensional line. Now take the example XY. It is a line. It has a starting point and an ending point. If it is starting from here, it ends here. If it is starting from here, it ends here. So in short, it is a line is a one-dimensional and it has two end points. It is a definite length. We can measure this line, and this is represented by this one. Whereas this only line we cannot measure. We cannot measure this line because it endlessly moves in the opposite direction, whereas it has a definite length. Now third one is ray. Now what is ray? Ray, it has only one starting point. It has only starting point, and it moves only in a single direction, only in one direction, and it does not have any ending point. It is a starting point and there is no end point. It moves only in one direction, either in this way or in this way. It can go in any direction. This is A starting point, this is B. It has no end point, and this is represented as PQ ray, and this is represented as AB ray. Now fourth one is parallel line. What are parallel line? What is parallel line? Parallel line are the line which does not intersect at any point but are in opposite. These are the parallel line. Having the same length and may not be having the same length. The length may be same or it may not be same, but both are in opposite, and it will not intersect at any point. It will not intersect at any point. This is a parallel line. Example, take the example of railway track. This is a railway track. Both are in same length and opposite to each other, but this will not going to meet at any point. Now next one is perpendicular line. Perpendicular line. What is perpendicular line? When two lines are meeting at a point, making an angle of 90 degree. Making an angle of 90 degree. This is a line, and another line is forming over here. The meeting. Okay, the second line is meeting at the first line and making an angle of 90 degree. It is called the perpendicular line. In simple words, when two lines meet and making an angle of 90 degree, then it is called the perpendicular line. It can be like this also. These are the first line, second line. Both are meeting at a point and making an angle of this symbol 90 degree. It is called the perpendicular line. Next, sixth one, intersecting line. What is intersecting line? When two or more than two lines intersect at a meet. They meet at a particular point. That point is called the point of intersection. These are the two lines. Take this as A line and this is a B line. This is A, this is B. Now these two lines meeting at a point. This point is called the point of intersection. This is the intersecting line. And take the example of three lines. There is the first line A, second line B, and this third line C. Take the example A, B and C. These are the three lines. Two or more than two lines, when they meet at a point, this point is called the point of intersection. This is the intersecting line. Where two lines meet at any point, it could be like this or it could be like this also. They meet at a particular point. When two lines, when they meet at a particular point, is called the intersecting line. Now next one is non-intersecting line, is same as parallel line. Non-intersecting line. Non-intersecting is same as parallel line. It also does not meet at any point. Same as parallel line. Same as parallel line. It will also does not meet at any point. Non-intersecting means it will not intersect at any point. Same as a parallel line only. The last one is transversal line. What is transversal line? When a line intersects a parallel line. Now take AB is a parallel line. This A and B is a parallel line. When a line intersects a parallel line at two distinct points, then this line is called the transversal line. Let L is a line. Now L is a line which intersect A and B line at two distinct points. Then L is called the transversal line. Hope you love the video. Keep practicing.